In this tutorial, I'll show you how to reduce the file size or compress a PDF in Adobe Acrobat. So I'm doing this tutorial on a Mac computer, so your interface might look a little different than mine. I'm also using the latest version of Adobe Acrobat. This is currently being recorded in 2024, so that's the version that I have. We are going to look at this file today and see if we can make it smaller. This PDF is currently 165 megabytes. You cannot email this file to someone, it's too big. So let's see if we can play with reducing the file size. I'm going to open it in Adobe Acrobat. And again, if you're using a different version of Acrobat, your interface and your menu may be a little different than mine. So I'm going to show you two ways to reduce the file size. First way is to go to File, Compress a PDF. If you're using an older version of Adobe Acrobat, you may see Reduce a File Size instead of Compress a PDF. You can also search for these options. So up in Help, you can say Compress a PDF, and there it is. Or you can just type Reduce, and it will come up with Reduce Size PDF. So you'll get this little pop-up, and it asks you if you want to save the PDF file down different versions. I'm just going to keep it where it is. I'm not applying it to multiple files, so let's just say okay. And this prompts you to save a new file. I always recommend doing that. You don't want to override your high-res file with your compressed file. So I like to put the word SM at the end just to indicate this is the smaller version. So click Save. It's working down here in the bottom. This PDF, it is a logo presentation file, and there are lots of vector images. There's some really big mock-up images in this. I believe the large images is what's causing it to be a very large file size. And when you reduce a file size, it's usually the images that are causing it to be inflated. So you are going to be compressing those images when you're reducing the PDF file size. Okay, so let's see how it did. We'll go back to my Finder window. I'm gonna look at this small version. It's not that much smaller. This is 165, our original, and it's now 157. This is still not small enough to email. And again, I think it's probably due to my really large images in my file. So let me show you another way that you can reduce the file size of your PDF. Go to File, Save as Other. You have Reduce Size PDF. You also have this Optimize PDF here. This is the option we're going to play with. So under the PDF Optimizer, you have much more control over the pixel size of the images that you are exporting. You can also edit how the fonts are compressed and some other things. I'm not going to get too deep into this. I'm just going to focus mostly on the images. Ideally, you want your image compression to always just be above 72 if it's going to be viewed on a screen. 72 is standard web resolution. And I discovered under the settings, this mobile setting. This reduces the image pixel size quite a bit to 96. But it actually makes very small files, and I think the quality is still pretty good. So let's click OK. I'm gonna make this a new file again, say small 2, and it's working in the corner. So here's our original. Here's the first one we did, and here's my new one. It is under a megabyte. I could definitely email this file to my client now. We always want to look at the PDF though and make sure the image quality is still okay for its intended use. I'm not printing this. I simply want to email this file to my client so she can get an idea of the mockup. So let's just zoom into some of these. These are all vector based, so they still look good. Vector is not affected here at all. Let's look at these images though. This is where I thought it might start to get a little pixelated or crunchy looking. This looks pretty good. And I'm on a high quality Mac computer screen with a Retina display, and I think this looks fine. You know, I can see a little bit of pixelation here, but I think as far as like a mock-up purpose, this is gonna be fine for my client. So just to recap, to reduce file size, you can go to File, Compress a PDF, or Save as Other, Reduce Size PDF, Optimize PDF. And you can always find these things under going to the Help and searching if you can't find them under the menu. So that's how you reduce the file size or compress a PDF in Adobe Acrobat. Follow CryeStudio for more graphic design and Adobe tutorials. Thanks so much.